Hi, boys and girls. Today's story that I'm going to read to you is called What Will Bear Do? Bear is very busy all morning long. What does he do? See if you can guess. 8 o'clock is breakfast time. What will Bear eat? See if you can guess. Will Bear eat a sunny side up egg, a hot dog, a bone, or a lollipop? What do you think he will eat? If you guessed a sunny side up egg, you're right. This egg will be yummy in Bear's tummy. It's 9 o'clock. Time to paint and draw. What will Bear need? See if you can guess. Will he need a bow tie, a book, some brushes and paints? If you guess brushes and paints, you're right. Look at Bear's picture. It's almost finished. 10 o'clock is snack time. What will Bear drink? See if you can guess. Do you think he will have a hamburger, ice cream, red apples, or a glass of lemonade? If you guessed lemonade, you're right. The lemonade is so good, Bear will drink it all up through a straw. It's 11 o'clock, time to play outside. Where will Bear climb? See if you can guess. Do you think he will climb a steam train, some flowers, or a tree? If you guessed a tree, you're right. Look at Bear, he's sitting in the tree. At 12 o'clock, it's time to go inside. Who will give Bear a hug? See if you can guess. Will it be a yellow bird, his mama, a green car, or an orange cat? What do you think? If you guessed his mama, you're right. Here's the painting Bear made for his mama. In the middle of the day, Bear eats lunch. Sometimes Bear rests. Have a nice nap. The end.